Để vô trà nào luôn nè. Món food.
No, I have my mountain dew. Hello.
Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
So we're gonna go to the backyard.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Already?
Lamon na naman, day. Wala nang katapos ang lamon to.
Aunt?
You see a bat, you see a dog. Hey, why you kill him?
Why?
He didn't do anything.
Yeah, but you said.
It's okay. We went, hey, wait, you're no.
Ito kanina eh. So, nag-ihaw daw. Tignan natin yung chicken. Ang chicken. Oh, they grilling there?
Yeah.
I thought it was in the ano.
The pig? No.
Ito, gusto ko mag-alaga na ito. Kaya lang kasi lagi akong wala sa bahay. Pero pag hindi na ako nagtrabaho, mag-alaga na ito.
Ayun! Parang hindi nakita ng matagal na.
Ngayon lang nagkita. Nagkaroon ka rin ba diyan?
Hindi.
Parang may celery.
Na naman.
Parang may celery. Celery ba yan? Parang celery.
Kaya sabi niyo, puro ano lang yung tumatubo dito. Mga damo.
Hmm?
Không có hù hết à? Không có hù nó thành gặp tao nói gặp tao. Đó, đừng nhớ có hỏa đấy không?
They make rice?
Anh
Chứ
phanh
cái
này
là
nha.
phòng mới nhỏ à?
Ở đó hả mặt bóng
Rồi
rồi.
hay có như đấy có hù
Mấy
này
con
ở đâu?
hả mai sổ của gà.
Oh, no, it's in the house.
Are we gonna cook rice?
Oh, he already made rice.
Oh.
We're good to go. He's gonna chill out and everybody can eat. That's what you're
Ayun yung backyard nila kay Papi. Medyo malawak. Kaya lang madumi, no? Medyo madumi lang. Pero malawak siya. Yan siya. Yun yung trailer ng tatay at nanay niya. Diyan niya nilagay.
No? That's Tati? Oh,
Where's Uncle?
why he said yeah.
Where's Uncle? Where's Uncle?
Where's Uncle Fong? Where's Uncle Fong?
Excuse me.
Where's Uncle Fong? Big, it's Uncle Holden.
Let's eat.
No, no, Odyssey á. Oh man, nó có những gì khô không?
Yeah. Để vô trà nào luôn nè. Món food. We'll see what it is.
No, I have my mountain dew.
Cái bột của anh mà.
A little bit by out of the rice. Not so bad.
Có ý.
Tatay, yung tatay niya. Punta kami ng City Light, mga kachupapi. Yung tatay niya bibisitahin, pinauwi. Ay, ay, ay. So, we're only gonna go, how many?
Cái cảnh điện nữa kia, cái tàu, cái chạy ở mua, tua mua, cho là đi, cho là hay chứ hả?
Bây giờ ở những người khá này cái rồi hướng lại đi coi dù là mà phá cho thật sự là với cho không thấy cái đó là cái chống nữa mà có gì đó là cái
Here.
It's starting to rain too. So.
Yeah. So dark.
No, this is that view they're talking about, huh?
Pinasyal kami dito ng aking sister-in-law. Ito yung sinasabi niyang city light.
Simon Jeep, I think it's
It's beautiful.
They told me racing.
So much more clear. Better.
Here is better.
It's still good.
Yeah.
But like, we're talking about it's even better.
What's the place that you see in Oregon? What's that place called?
That's like so long ago, I couldn't really tell you what you have to tell.
Umuulan na siya. Umuulan na. Ganito to eh. Dito laging umuulan. Kaya ayan yung city na Makachupapi. Ayan yung Seattle. Pumunta kami dyan nung last 2024. Hindi rin maganda kasi pag nandiyan ka, umuulan din ulit. Puro ulan na rito. Yeah, I did. Ano? The reminder. Kaya Makachupapi yung mga bahay dito. Siguro maganda dito tumira. Kasi ito yung view nila oh. Diba? Ang ganda. What?
He's right there.
Asawa ko titingin daw ng ano.
Oh, now I can see.
Let me see.
You don't.
Now you can see now. Let me see.
Unfortunately,
Blurry.
it's not clear.
I told you.
Maybe the lens is wet. Let me check the lens. No, the lens is not wet. Maybe it needs some adjustment. Let me see if there's any adjustment. Can you see?
I see.
Yeah, có tại Cục bọc á nè.
Cannot see.
Well, can you focus?
I told you, got disappointed, huh?
Chưa lúc là cái trang gì nha ha.
It's okay, but you don't really see anything clear.
That's why I said.
All I see is
That's what I said. 25 peso is waste. 25 peso, you can buy a couple egg with that already.
Couple eggs.
Yeah, 2 eggs.
Should we buy popcorn with that?
In the Philippines, you can buy 2 eggs with 25 peso, huh?
Mm-hmm.
7 peso an egg. You know, boil it yourself.
Yes.
Not
well, it was worth a
How much
try.
time do you get?
I don't know, but it was worth a
Is
try.
it still going?
What the phone? You just got in there. How the hell you
Pauwi na kami. Kasi
If
papi.
you lift,
Sinilip lang namin yung city light. Okay?
Alright. Alright. See you guys later then.
Nó có mà có là.
See ya.
Ano na maulan. Yeah.
Để bây giờ tới cũng là siêu.
Let's focus over the cameras.
Okay, we're going home.